how to find your order details and whatnot. Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you want to look out for your order details and whatnot, including your order ID, tracking number, and seller information, in today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide. So let's just dive right in. Open up the Whatnot application for that and log in if you're not logged. After that, you can directly head over and look out for the activity section in the bottom menu. Once you tap on it, here you'll be finding all of your activity, and you can go to the purchases tab here, and there you can go for the order that you would like to view. And in the order page, you can directly look out for your order ID, usually on the top of the page, seller name displayed under the item that you're listing, and your order status, such as if it's in process, it's completed, refunded, etc. Prepared, shipped, delivered, etc. You can just go and check it out. And including that, you'll also be finding the tracking number once the seller creates the shipping label and your carrier information and delivery. And that way you should be able to do it. Tracking appears once the seller prints the shipping level, and you can look out for the tracking number to open up the live carrier updates. But usually just by following up this method, you should be able to view it up. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.